Hey guys, today let's learn how to use the new Canva AI video generator. So if you guys would like to go ahead and use this new Canva AI video generator, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to use this and have this as well. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. So as of the current moment guys, you might have a mistake between AI image generator of Canva and Canva's magic design using videos. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and discuss what the new option is with magic design. Of course, we actually have this option right here, and what this entails or what this is basically an option for us to use Canva to generate our own videos with captions, with transitions, and with music as well. And it also becomes automatically cut for the video's sake. And all we need to do to utilize this is to go ahead and tap on this option over on our design, over on our video templates. So tap on generate videos instantly. Next, we could now go ahead and choose the preferred videos that we'd like to go ahead and use. You could also go ahead and choose some photos that you would like to use, a minimum of 3 photos and videos, and then go ahead and describe what you guys want to go ahead and have with this video. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and let's say a video that showcases a brief history of my life. So tap on enter, and basically the video is going to start generating and will also give us the results right after. But that is essentially what you guys all need to know about using Canva's AI video generator or magic design. So thank you guys for watching this video. As you would notice as well, we have, of course, automatic transitions. We also have text displayed, some music, and it actually detected the photo or video as well and its contents, which is pretty amazing. And basically that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.